Good morning, everyone. It's Shana the Yardy Girl again. I'm just gonna say Shana because it's easier, because everybody knows me the Yardy Girl already. But anyway, I'm here going off to work again. I'm making one more video to keep on track. This is day 3 after Master Cleanse, the lemonade diet. Oh, people. Today is today is Saturday the 28th of January 2017, and today is the 3rd day. These people don't drive on. This camera on Facebook. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so this is the 3rd day. I started on, today is Saturday, so I started on Thursday. Yeah, it's very odd to start, but I find that when I'm working, because I work from Thursday, goes straight back until next Thursday. So I find that when I'm working, I'm always busy, so I won't get time to kind of really, want something to like munch on, because at work I'm busy, so I just, grab a bottle and drink, and yeah. But from from Thursday, it's been pretty hard, but today's been a little bit better. I took my laxative tea, from the night before, and it's working, right? And I can either this thing is true. Yeah, I can either take the flush in the morning, but if I don't want to take the flush, they said, it's good to take the flush, but if I don't want to take the salt out of flush in the morning, only do the laxative tea the night before, right? And I did the salt out of flush yesterday morning, and I didn't do it this morning because I was in a hurry and I woke up late. Yeah, all of those things, and them say if it's at least after 30 minutes after you take the salt out the flush, and we don't really have 30 minutes to spare right now. So, but I did take the laxative tea last night, and it did work this morning, so I'm good to go same way. What can I say? Oh, sorry. Yesterday I lost a total just like 2.8 or so pounds when I went on the scale yesterday morning. This morning I lost 1.2 pounds. Yes. Even if it's a pound for me a day, that's awesome. When a business ever 2 pound or 3 pound, if it's a pound, or even if it's 7 ounces or whatever, at least I'm losing it within a day. Yeah. But anyway, a lot, don't it? Sorry. Anyway, we lost 1.2 pounds. I went on the scale this morning, and I feel good, people. I feel good. I still do feel the hunger serious, and people talk about, but you don't feel hungry or whatever. I still do feel the hunger. Probably it's just because it's just day 3, and I'm going until day 14. So bear with me. I probably won't have a video every single day, but I will try. I'll try my best to put up a video every day. Anyway. Oh, and I'm also in the process of editing. Sorry. Still sleeping, man. Still sleeping. This winter weather does have you out weird. Anyway, I'm in the process of editing my previous videos that I have that I really need to put up. So I spent like some time last night. I went to bed like after 2, almost 3, because I was doing that. So soon you will get those. So continue watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, what am I looking for? Anyway, please do subscribe. Yeah, and this is just a little update, so people just bear with me, and I'll continue giving you an update, telling you. Oh, yesterday I felt like the ending of the day that I was done work about after 6 or so, and I felt dizzy. I felt a little dizzy, but them say it's normal to come with it. And I felt dizzy, and I felt not lightheaded. My head was just hurting. Right, so that them say you to expect that with it, especially like you don't have that much sugar into your body, that much anymore. You kind of getting rid of some of those toxins and stuff. But yeah, otherwise when that are gain from that, so just drink one more bottle. Right, close behind each other, and to get that additional sugar. And very gain the strength that I needed. And I do I do have my patch. I do it every other day, B12 patch, to give me that extra energy that I need, and it worked because I don't feel like weak that I thought I would feel. So it worked to me, people. Yes. Oh gosh. Anyway, I don't have that much to talk about this morning, other than just heading to work. Yes. Also, if you're ever into the Calgary, Alberta area, which is Calgary Northeast, I'll put a link below the address to the restaurant that I'm working at. You can stop by. We have some awesome food. Jerk chicken, and we're not talk about just jerk with them bake, put it just season and bake, but jerk chicken that things, me grill it and smoke it up and everything. Yep, they get that good old time, the closest it could be to the back home jerk chicken. Right, we have other things on the menu, but the feature is the jerk chicken. We have soup, make you feel like you're back home. So if you're ever into the Calgary area, stop by. I'll leave the address below, and just stop by and give us a check out. You won't regret it, trust me. It's gonna be very addictive, so yep, get ready. Okay, people, this is all I have to say this morning. I'll see you again, maybe not tomorrow, maybe Monday morning, but yes, it's Shana. All people, and if you have not subscribed or liked, please do. It's all up to you. But anyway, we'll talk to you later, people. Alright, peace.